to Goa. This is a fish thali with curry prawns. ये कितना deep है? Look at this pretty croissant. Day 2 in Goa. So it's already 12, around about to be 12, and gotten ready. Woke up very late, but gotten ready, and now we are heading to have some Goan thali at the very famous Vinayaka restaurant. So let's see how it is. Very hungry. Let's go. Day 2, Goa. It's a sunny day. Nice and sunny, no rain.
Just turn left onto Mangalim Road, Verimarampur Agarwala Road.
So, off again. How is the weather, Abhishek?
Weather is very good.
Weather is very good. Like
Sunny.
a bit sunny, not hot, not raining, and no people, very less people. So it's good. And now we are going to Sri Vinayak restaurant for some thali, Goan thali. And after that, I don't know what to do. We are just thinking,
Turn left
what
onto
should we do?
Mangalim Road,
Turn left.
Verimarampur Agarwala Road.
Yeah, but I left that. So we are thinking what should we do after we have our lunch, because lunch khanda it will be I think 2 o'clock, hai Abhishek? So I don't know what should we do, because we have roamed Goa so many times. We have been to
Continue
South
on
Goa,
Mangalim Road for 6 kilometers.
and so we don't know. So let's see. This is all. Here is our fish thali with curry prawns. This, I don't know what this is. What's this? How's the fish? Nice. And for me, I have vindaloo prawns, rice, and we have the rava prawns. Yummy. Ito. Dami ah. Prawns है ना यो? ये crab, that's crab है. खाना तो कुछ ऐसा crab. Nice. Now I'll enjoy my vindaloo with rice. So we've come to the Arambol Dam now after lunch, but like Google was like a bit, it's confusing because it brought us to this place, empty space. We don't know where to go from here. It's showing that this is the Arambol Dam, but there's nothing here. It's empty, full empty. So that house, there's someone there. Abhishek is going to just ask. Kata raise baba? Acha, okay, it's this way. So we have parked our car here, and then you go this way. त्यो जाममै खुवाउनु पर्ने हो है के हो अब कि त्यो अब नयुज गरेको ड्यामहरू के है पुरानो ड्यामहरू
त्यस्तै होला त अब त एक्चुअली ड्याममा मान्छे स्विमिङ गर्नु
डरसरी हुन्छ त्यो पनि मान्छे लोकलहरू रहेछ एक दुईजना पानी हरियो चाहिँ हरियो रहेछ बट भैया ये कितना डीप है?
और डीप है क्या?
स्टार्टिंग से डीप है? हाँ थोड़ा तो चल के जा सकता है फिर डीप है ना? चले? ओ हमेशा साफ रहता है?
हमेशा ही क्लियर पानी मिलेगा।
अच्छा
सांप वगैरह नहीं है इधर?
कुछ नहीं होगा। नहीं हम लोग आते ना दूसरे दिन आते हैं।
हाँ
अच्छा
चलो
हाँ हाँ भाई कत्तिवटा बाख्रा हो स्विमिङ गर्नु पाएन. Abhishek is scared because the water is deep and there was no one there. Why are you scared? You know swimming, no? Why are you scared?
I don't know that much swimming.
I don't know that much swimming. But then, it's a good place, ne? If you like are confident. I wanted to swim, but you can get floaters and all if you come here, because the local people only said कि पानी थोड़ा deep है. So they were also scared to go, so we got scared. But then it's a good place to just come and see full green water, nice scenery. So you can come here. Even if you don't want to swim, you can just come here and just like chill. Good place. And there was no one here now. I don't know why. Otherwise it's always crowded. So के लाउँछ है तर गोवामा चाहिँ यहाँ क्याफेहरू पुरा देयर आर लट अफ क्याफेज सो पिपल विल जस्ट कीप अप्रोचिङ यु यहाँ पे आके खा लो बिकज इट्स अफ सिजन द्याट्स वाइ ग्रुप हो भने चाहिँ मजै आउँछ सो यहाँ अब हामी कहाँ आएको छ भने अरम्बोल लेक सरी बिच हामी चाहिँ वी वान्टेड टु गो टु स्वीट वाटर लेक बट देन एभ्री वान इज एडभाइसिङ अस नट टु गो बिकज firstly it takes like almost 45 minutes to reach from the beach, and then if you go there, because it's monsoon, the water is very dirty and you cannot swim. So I mean, if you come during the other season, I think it's a good choice, but now we are kind of skeptical. We won't go to skeptical, sorry, I mean we won't go, so हम नहीं जाएंगे वहाँ पे. We're just enjoying the walk by the beach. How are you liking Goa? I mean, we have come to Goa before also, but always in summertime. Monsoon time, it's the first time that we've come here, and it's a very different vibe. It's good, right? It's the same Goa, minus the crowd and minus the heat. नहीं भैया, खा लिया भैया. One cold coffee, one matcha latte, and we saw those the mini croissant with custard pistachio. Yeah, that one.
One, yeah, two.
One. And you wanted something else? With फेरि आउँदा हुन्छ too much हुन्छ. That's it for now.
That's it. One cold coffee, one chocolate eclair, one matcha latte cold, normal mix, sugar syrup one side, one pistachio mini.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. What do you want to eat? Because he was craving croissant and cold coffee.
Cold coffee and chocolate cook.
Eclair. Chocolate eclair. Let's see how it is. We'll tell you. Look at this pretty croissant with filling. And this is chocolate croissant. कस्तो थियो बाबु चकलेट के अरे एक्लेयर राम्रो थियो यो हेर्न कस्तो क्युट है हेर्दा पनि खानु नमन परे जस्तो तर हेर्न कस्तो क्युट रहेछ हेर्न creamy, not too sweet, the best. मिठो रहेछ हौ तर है क्या मिठो रहेछ Eclair.
Sugar syrup. This one not sweet and you add also that also.
Okay.
Thank you. And this one just 5 days only launched this one matcha.
Oh, new.
Yeah.
New launch.
You can taste
Yeah.
how was this one. Just review.
Sure.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Matcha latte. It's like yummy choice, it's too yummy. Too good. Yummy choice. It's very good. Must visit. Okay, Arjuna mango. So अब रातिको के छ प्लान्स अभिषेक?
रातिको अब we'll go for dinner.
We're planning to go Britos.
To the American.
We're planning to go to this place called Chapora Lane in the Vagator area. So it's supposed to like be very lively even like post midnight. So we're planning to go there at around 11-12. See how it is, but I hope it doesn't rain. Let's see, right? We have to book an activity also. We are planning whether to do ATV or cycling tour or what. So ATV we have done anyway. So cycling tour is like we can explore like Goa in cycle. So we are planning to do that. के हेरेको बाबु केटी हेर्दैछ मलाई हेरिस कता थियो आँखा मलाई हेरेको किन हेरेको बाबु मलाई किन हेरेको के सोच्नु भयो हेरेर कस्तो खाले रहेछ नाइस फुड है यहाँ तर Arjuna Cafe एकताल खानु त माछा इट्स रियली गुड लाइक इट्स नट टु स्वीट इट्स नट टु बिटर ओभर पावरिङ पनि छैन भेरी क्लोज टु उता जापानमा खाएको So दामी देखेको यो प्लेस at night. It's like this. Very pretty. I am not sure that. कहाँ गएको अब हामी dinner Britos Baga and then what's our plan baba bhandi halnu we are going to Britos Baga and then
Chapora
Lane.
Lane.
Let's see if we go because that lane like it's very happening but only after midnight so we'll have to spend some time. Let's see. के भयो? ब्याक गर्नु अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ म गर्दिम ब्याक We have reached Britos and the vibe is candle lighting by the beach. खाना चाहिँ ब्रिटोस खाना चाहिँ दामी हुन्छ स्पेसली द प्राइस द क्वान्टिटी द क्वालिटी अल्सो दामी फ्राइड राइस खानुपर्छ अब बाय बाय बाबा थँक यू मिठो फ्राइड राइस दामी छ अँ नि